The puppy push-ups. The puppy push-ups is actually two very basic skills that I will review. In case some of you have a very young dog, first-time dog owners or anything. The puppy push-up consists of a sit and a lay down. Okay? When you teach a sit, very important, not to push the dog's bum on the ground. An easier way is to take the treat to the dog's nose and just lift up. Okay? And when you teach it down, you take your treat and you just lure your dog to the down, into a down. Okay? My very trusty sidekick, Beba, would you like to come and help us? Come. Okay. As soon as the bum hits the ground, I also click. So, Bear, sit. Good boy. Okay? See how I went over his nose and I forced his head back, which made him sit. Okay? At the same time, my gesture for sit is this. So it already gets him used to sit this way. Okay. Up. Sit. Good boy. Now, next thing we're going to teach Bear is to lay down. Bear, down. Lured him to the ground. The minute he hit the ground, I click and treat. Okay? Bear, sit. And down. Okay. Sit. And down. Sit. Okay. Sit. And down. That's one push-up. Sit. And down. That's two push-ups. Sit. Back. We'll let him finish the treat. And down. Okay? Every rotation of sit and down is a push-up. Okay? So, just to reiterate for the new dog owners, the puppy owners. Okay? Bye-bye. Up. Bear is going to sit. Good. And now Bear is going to go down. The minute he hits the ground, I click. Okay? When I'm doing the push-up, it's sit, down, click. And eventually you can say, push up, your dog will sit and down. Okay? So thanks for watching this little instructional video on how to teach your dog how to sit and how to down. Have a great day.